Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide here, and I'm talking to you on the new GoPro Hero9 Black. Yep, this is the latest GoPro, and the biggest change is this 1.4 inch display on the front of the camera. It's a first for GoPro. They've never had a front screen before, and it makes it a hell of a lot easier to frame yourself up in your videos and also your background. There is on the rear, of course, the 2.2 inch rear touch display. And here is where you can go through all of your settings, access all the different modes. So you can go from 5K, 4K, 60 frames per second, 2.7K, the full HD, of course. The other improvements include Hyper Smooth 3.0 and also Time Warp 3.0. On the Hyper Smooth side, you are getting a much smoother image. It's remarkable actually the difference from last year's model to this year's smoothing. It does even have horizon leveling features as well. The GoPro Hero9 Black is capable of shooting 5K video at up to 30 frames per second, as well as being able to capture 20 megapixel stills as well. The GoPro Hero9 is rugged and waterproof to a depth of 10 meters. It also has the built-in folding mounting fingers, so you can then easily mount that onto any of your normal GoPro mounts. Just like that. Screw it in there. And you're good to go. Time Warp 3.0 is also a fun new feature. If you want to compress the action into a shorter amount of time, there are some great settings for you to achieve that.